Now, let us see, when you are going into a community area, what all informations you require in the community. So consider you are going into a community area, you are going into Karimanur village. So what all things you need to collect about the community. So especially there are three main things you have to consider about the community data collection. First is geographical area. So you should know what is the correct location of the community, what is the proper boundary of that particular village, physical setup of that particular village, how many houses are there, the major physical setup, how many roads are there, how many connecting linkages are there. Natural resources, what are the natural resources of that particular community, the landmarks and institutions. What are the main landmarks? What are the main institutions? How many hospitals are there? How many educational institutions are there? The main landmarks like spiritual centers, church, temples, mosque, public water tanks, post office, everything you should be identifying. And environmental sanitation. What is the environmental sanitation of that particular community? Then regarding the population characteristics. Regarding the population, you have to collect the data regarding the size of the population. What is the population size? Then density. What is density? Yes, the number of people present in a square kilometer. ജനസാന്ദ്രത അല്ലേ, ജനസാന്ദ്രത എത്രയുണ്ടെന്ന് അറിയണം. Then regarding the composition. What is composition? Already all these demographic characteristics you have studied in BSc second year. So you should know about the size, density, composition. What is composition? Yes, how many males are there, how many females are there, how many under 5 children are there, how many antenatals, how many postnatals, how many newborn, each and everything, each composition you should be able to know. Then regarding the vital events. What are the main vital events in a community? Any death happened recently, any birth took place in the village, and any marriage, because it all matters. It adds up into the community and it deletes from the community also. Because in a culture like our Kerala culture, we all know that when the female is getting married and going to the next family, she will be going from that particular village to the husband's family village. So of course that population will be mobilized from here to where she is getting married. Then vulnerable and high risk group. You should be able to know the vulnerable groups. About the high risk groups. How many under 5 children? How many antenatal children? How many antenatal mothers? Any newborn children are there? How many adolescents who have attained menarche? These all things you should know about the population. Then regarding the social structure and social system. In social structure and social system, you should know about the stratification. What is a strata? What are the different divisions in the society? And social control system. What are the social control system they are using in the particular village? And the leadership patterns regarding their lifestyle, communication system, rules and regulations, each and everything regarding the housing patterns, regarding the food system, regarding the educational system, regarding environmental protection system, communication, transportation, law and order, political, economic, legal system, everything. These all aspects comes under social system. Regarding the bank, hospital, the health centers, the cooperative facilities, post office, public distribution shops, temples, sports club, everything. These all details you should know under the social structure and system. Coming into the guidelines for data collection in family. So till now we were discussing about how you have to behave in a community and how you have to approach the community area. Then after the survey, after doing the area map, after doing the survey, compiling up the survey details, everything, you will be assigned with few families. So you should know how to collect the data from your family. So before collecting the data, you should always remember few things. I have already given a hint in your last classes also. In order to gain the acceptance, cooperation, and confidence of the family, it is very, very important. You should always remember the coming points in your mind. It should be always systematic. When you go to a family, it should be step by step process. It should be a planned visit. It's not that you are casually going into a family and just coming out. You should have a plan. What to be asked, what should be mentioned in the visit, what you have to record, each and everything. It should be in a systematic manner. Do not force to get the information. Sometimes when you are asking something, the family members may deny. They will not give you a proper answer. So no need for you to ask again and again the same question. You have to understand that they are just ignoring that particular question. So you have to go into the next one. Or through your observation, you have to find it out from the family. Explain the reasons for seeking information. Sometimes the family members, they will ask you why you need this particular information, why you want the family income. So you have to tell the reason. Ensure the confidentiality. Already explained. Be polite. You have to be very polite to them. Don't let the family feel small or embarrassed. Never show to them that your family is economically very low, your family is having very poor personal hygiene, your family is having very poor physical setup. Don't make feel them that they are very small. You should not show it to them. Make them comfortable. Sympathize and listen attentively. Whatever they are telling, listen to them and have a sympathetic approach and listen what they are telling. And you should get the meaning from what they are telling. Record the data as planned in the interview schedule. Whatever data you have got through your proper communications, you have to write it down in your interview schedule or in your observation checklist. These are very few points which you should always remember during the data collection in your family. So in the further coming slides, we will show you what all headings, what are the major headings you have to follow when you are going for a data collection for your care plan point of view, for your care plan or for a case study, family comprehensive case study, or for a family comprehensive care plan, what all things you have to collect and write. So I hope it is clear for you all.